Captain Cash. Hey there, future money masters. Captain Cash here, ready to unlock some super cool money secrets with my amazing co-pilot, Pennywise, and me, Pennywise. We've got huge news for 2025. Interest rates are expected to drop. This could seriously change how your money works for you. Captain Cash, have you ever felt like money stuff is super complicated? Like trying to read a secret code? You'll know exactly what this means for your piggy bank in your dreams, Pennywise. Well, guess what? We're about to make lower interest rates as simple as counting your fingers and toes, Captain Cash. So, are you ready to discover how lower interest rates can be like a secret superpower for your money? Pennywise. Buckle up, because our adventure is about to begin, and you're going to learn how to make smart money moves in 2025. When you borrow money from a bank, it's like borrowing a slice of their pizza, but the bank wants a little extra for letting you borrow their slice. That little extra is the interest. It's the cost of borrowing money. Captain Cash, alright, let's dive in. What are interest rates? Anyway, they'll pay you a little extra for using your slice. That's also interest. So, interest can be good when you're saving and it's a cost when you're borrowing. Pennywise. Imagine money is like a yummy pizza, Captain Cash. And when you save money in a bank, it's like loaning them your pizza. If the interest rate is lower, the total amount you pay back for that console is less. If grown-ups have credit card debt, lower interest rates mean they pay less interest each month, helping them pay off their debt faster. Woohoo, a higher rate means a bigger extra slice, and a lower rate means a smaller extra slice. Well, when interest rates go down, the bank might pay you a little less interest on your savings accounts. This is super important. Less money spent on interest means more money for your goals. Pennywise. Now, the interest rate is like the size of that extra slice. When interest rates are lower, it can sometimes make other investments, like stocks, more attractive. Companies might find it cheaper to borrow money to grow, which can make their stocks more valuable. This is where things get really interesting for growing your money. Lower interest rates can make it easier for businesses to borrow money to build new things. And when businesses grow, their stocks often grow too. With lower interest rates, her regular savings might earn a little less. If they buy it when interest rates are high, they might pay an extra $5,000 in interest. She learns about investing and puts some of her money into an investment fund. And potentially more exciting to invest your money in things like stocks. Because of lower interest rates, that fund might grow even faster, making her money work harder. While traditional savings might pay a bit less, lower interest rates can make investing even more exciting. Captain Cash. And here, the big news. Experts predict the size of that extra slice. The interest rate is going to get smaller in 2025. This means your monthly payments could be smaller, leaving more money in your pocket. Always think if you really need something. If you need a loan later, lower interest rates will be your friend, but always borrow smart. Pennywise. Okay, next. How lower interest rates help your wallet. Ask your parents about investing. The more you learn, the smarter your money will grow. Captain Cash. Think about big purchases like a house or a car. Most grown-ups take out a loan from the bank. Pennywise. When interest rates go down, the cost of borrowing that money also goes down. Captain Cash. It's like getting a discount on your borrowing. Imagine you want a brand new video game console. It's a chance to make your money work smarter. Understanding interest rates is a huge step on your journey to becoming financially free. Pennywise. This also applies to things like credit cards. Captain Cash. So, for anyone borrowing money, like for a house, a car, or even student loans when you're older, lower interest rates are generally good news. What's one thing you're excited about regarding your money in 2025? Let us know in the comments below. That's $2,000 saved. That's like getting 2 extra video games for free. Pennywise. Now, for our third point. How lower rates change your savings and investments. Captain Cash. Remember how we said banks pay you interest when you save money? Pennywise. But don't worry. This is where smart money moves come in. Captain Cash. Think of investing like planting money seeds. Pennywise. It's like the playground just got a new, super fun slide. Captain Cash. So, while your regular savings might earn a little less, lower interest rates can be a green light for investing your money in ways that could help it grow much faster. Pennywise. Let's look at some simple examples. Captain Cash. Imagine Timmy's parents want to buy a new car. She's been saving her allowance. Pennywise. But if they wait for 2025 when interest rates are lower, that extra cost might drop to only $3,000. Captain Cash. Now, let's look at Tina. Pennywise. But Tina is smart. Captain Cash. So, the big takeaway is, lower interest rates in 2025 mean it is cheaper to borrow money. Pennywise. What are some actionable steps you can take right now? Action step 1. Learn more about investing. Captain Cash. Start by watching more videos like this. Action step 2. Think before you borrow. Pennywise. Even though borrowing might be cheaper, it's still borrowing. Action step 3. Captain Cash. Even if savings accounts earn a little less, having money saved for a goal is super important. It's your safety net. Pennywise. Wow, we've covered a lot. Let's recap the super important takeaways. First, Interest is the cost of borrowing money or what you earn for saving it. Second, lower interest rates in 2025 mean borrowing money generally becomes cheaper. Third, while traditional savings might earn a little less, lower interest rates can make investing an even more exciting way to grow your money. Captain Cash. And the simple message to remember is, lower interest rates in 2025 can help you save money when you borrow and potentially help your investments grow faster. Pennywise, you now have a financial superpower. Captain Cash. If you found this video helpful, please give us a big thumbs up by hitting that like button right now. Pennywise, and to make sure you never miss another super simple money secret, hit that subscribe button and ring the little notification bell. Captain Cash, we want to hear from you. Pennywise. And if you have friends or family who also want to understand how interest rates affect their money, share this video with them. Captain Cash, thanks for joining us on this financial adventure. Remember, understanding your money is the first step to building an amazing future. Pennywise, keep learning, keep growing, and we'll see you in the next video.